Hello Math 152 students, welcome back. We'll do a quick wrap up to our review or our listed topic review. So we talked about our hypothesis testing and I wanted to just point you to a couple resources for extra problems. The best place that I think you can review after you've taken a look at your homework and your chapter tests on MyMathLab is the chapter tests that are actually in your textbook. So if you go to your ebook, at the end of every chapter is a chapter test. And what's nice about these is that the answers are in the back, so for the evens and the odds. The other feature that I really like about this is the video options. So notice next to nearly every problem on the chapter test, you have the videos. So this is a huge help if there's problems you're not understanding or you don't understand the solution they're getting in the back of the book. So I would recommend doing the chapter test for the chapters that you're struggling with. One of the other good features is that they're fairly short. Every chapter also has a chapter review that's a larger collection of problems, and the chapter test is much more edited down to what I would consider the core concepts. So really for each 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, the chapter tests are pretty good indications of the concepts, the core concepts you should have mastered. So for those ones, I will not be writing up a separate answer key for these or a separate review like for your midterm. But for the chapter 11, or excuse me, 10 and 11 for hypothesis testing, I do want to illustrate kind of the format that you'll see on the final, which is similar to the format you should be doing on your projects, of course. But if you have problems in 10 and 11 on those chapter tests that you would specifically like to go over, I will pick one or potentially two to write up separately and just illustrate the format and the steps that you would be doing and writing out on your own. So email me if you have a preference on those 10 and 11. I'll be working on those problems that I get sent and sending you guys out one last video on Friday. All right, so that wraps up our topic list. Email me with additional questions you have, and I will see you guys next week.